Hello friends and welcome back to our nerdy little channel. In this video we're going to make Jinx's chomper grenade from Arcane. My name's Katora and let's jump into it. Ever since Arcane came out almost a year and a half ago, I wanted to make something from it. So I had Pat print off Jinx's grenade for me. And it's been sitting on our project shelf ever since, patiently waiting for me to finish it. Because we printed this off so long ago, I have no idea who the original artist is that created this file. If anybody knows who made this file, leave a comment below so I can add it to the description. Sanding for this project was pretty simple. I started with 120 grit and then worked my way up to a nice fine grit sandpaper. During the printing process, the mouth turned out a little bit wonky. I could take the time to correct it, but I think I'm going to lean into it to add a little bit of uniqueness to the grenade. After the sanding is done, a couple coats of filler primer and it's on to painting. For the chomper, I'm going to cell shade it to help give it that 3D rendered illustrated look like in the show. To accomplish that, I'm going to start with a base coat and block out all of the areas of the grenade. Generally, when I'm cell shading, I like to work with 3, maybe 4 shades, light, middle, and dark. The middle color is the base color I just painted. After I let that dry, I'll start working on the lighter shades and darker shades of paint. When I'm happy with the shading, I will go back over it with a black outline to help emphasize the cell shading. We release new videos almost every week. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay in the loop. For the eyes, I'm going to use Vallejo's Fluorescent Green. With cell shading complete, it's time to move on to the part I've been looking forward to the most, Jinx's graffiti. I'm using a variety of acrylic paint for Jinx's graffiti. I tried my best not to be too precise when applying the graffiti to help give it that chaotic look. little bit of splatter paint here and there. Super glue will bring this project together. And that will bring us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you really enjoyed it. And now, let's check out the final results.